Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to host a website with Godaddy. First, you will need to choose the right hosting plan that aligns with your website's size and expected traffic. Godaddy offers various options, from shared hosting for smaller projects to more robust solutions for larger businesses. Once your plan is active, the next crucial step is to connect your domain name to your new hosting account, ensuring your website is accessible to visitors. Godaddy provides several hosting types to match diverse needs. Shared hosting is an excellent starting point, offering an affordable way to get your site online, perfect for blogs or small portfolios. For those needing more control and resources, Virtual Private Server, or VPS, hosting offers a significant upgrade. If your website demands peak performance and handles thousands of visitors daily, a dedicated server is the ultimate choice, providing exclusive resources. After selecting your plan, the next step is to connect your domain. You will update your domain's name servers within your Godaddy account to point to your hosting. Then, it is time to upload your website files. For simple sites, the cPanel file manager works well. For more complex projects with many files, using an FTP client provides a faster and more reliable way to transfer all your content to the server. With your files uploaded, it is time for final configurations. If your site uses a content management system like WordPress, you will install it and set up its database. Crucially, install an SSL certificate to encrypt data and assure visitors of your site's security. Before launching, meticulously test every page, link, and form to ensure everything functions perfectly. Once satisfied, your website is ready to go live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.